discuss about a very simple topic, a secret strategy to be followed for patent applicants who wish to file a patent in India. Right now, we understand the Indian ecosystem is driving its all these energies towards innovation. If we talk about the GDP and innovation index and whatever term you want to term innovation, I would say it's the time is very apt for companies, academia people to file patent application. And in many cases in India, it is mandatory for the professors to file patent application before the Indian Patent Office. Now, the question or the very simple question which I'm going to answer today is what strategy is a simple strategy and a straightforward strategy? That is a strategy which would help and facilitate your technical, I would say, the domain in which you're working to be secured in the best possible manner. There's nothing better than this right now in the given scheme of things. The first and foremost, file a provisional patent application and utilize the resources of writing 30 pages. See, till total number of pages of this form number 2, which is filed for provisional and complete application, the Indian government is not charging for the number of pages once it is not exceeding more than 30. So if you exceed more than 30 pages, you have to pay government per page. So that is something different. Why I'm saying so? I have seen so many good applications in terms of the invention. However, the way it has been written, because it has been written by the professors, they write. So when we do patentability searches or any kind of patent search, anything which is not a patent, we call it as NPL. NPL stands for non-patent literature. And so many applications in India, if they would have given those data pointers at the very beginning, it becomes easy for patent professionals like us when they hire us at a later stage, and especially at the stage of patent prosecution. So what you need to understand right now is, first and foremost, file a provisional patent application, write 30 pages, at least write 25 pages, and whatever data points you have, include in the provisional, because provisional is never examined. That is another detail I wanted to discuss here, and especially for the academia people. That is first point. Second point, once you file the provisional, you get a date, and within 12 months you need to file a complete application. And since you have given so much data in the provisional itself, and after that professional to write your complete application, because in the complete application there's a section called patent claims. And patent claims, it's like the periphery of the invention. It's like if somebody's playing cricket, what's the periphery, the ground area? That is what patent claims is all about. So it becomes easy for us also to understand the application. So only two takeaways in this video for anybody who wishes to file a provisional application. Do it yourself. Generally, I don't recommend that. However, still, if you're doing it yourself, please, please, please write. So you have to write 20-25 pages. Make sure you write everything, whatever data you have, because then you have the option of introducing those data matrix or the data pointers at the time of prosecution. So the only thing right now, if you are filing a patent application in 2020, file a provisional patent application, get a priority date, give as much detail as possible. If you have any questions related to that, you can connect with me on LinkedIn, put your question in the comment box below, you can send us an email, and we would be happy to assist. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye. Jai Hind.